besties, welcome back to a new, I think it's like a new vlog, either a new vlog or a continuation vlog. Yes. So I want to go and do my nails, do my hair, like it's a maintenance vlog. I need to get some skincare things I don't have, some shower gel, my skincare, and I'll be taking you guys along. Yes, along. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment, and let's get started. Ready? Yeah, sure. Sure, yeah, sure. No, after Access Bank, the plaza. I'm not going to the bank. You go straight after downtown. This plaza here. This one. Yes. Let me see the jean jackets first. Mia, come play with your friend now. Oh, she's have this standard. Come and pick it later. Yes, let's sit down. Mona, sit down now. Turn your back. Turn your back. Yeah, it's big. Even this her jacket set. This her is much. It's good. And you go back. Go back. Turn your back. Okay, we'll test the skirts. No, auntie will buy you sweet, yeah? You like sweet? Okay, auntie will buy you sweet. Come go buy shawarma. Before you come, I don't lose my head, finish. Eh? No, now one woman for one buy 17K. Eh? be about only waiting now. The two partner go chook their this thing inside the this thing. I mean, now only one person they chook. Now only one person they chook.
Once they take a minute, Mimi, my love, my lover. They don't sit you again tomorrow.
Wait till they do it.
No, this is the.
Aren't you buying sweet? Aren't you buying sweet?
The test is done between it.
The test is it for your track.
The one.
Don't fool, well. Okay, see the nails? I'm not blaming you. How you put shawarma on top ice cream? What the shawarma? Okay. No, we tell money that is buy what's in the color? This is yesterday.
That's how many ground you don't buy ya.
Pando. I said buy pando yesterday.
Okay. Please, you know say use and buy the party. Me are you doing that ice cream 3 days you go toilet. This Jessica hair and nails no go work. She see the guy where drink wine, they don't change kidney.
You know drink one thing go kill you.
I know that one. See white people they like very simple.
You said
the man is nice. He said the thing man dey bad, so the doctor said.
yes, yes.
The hair is fine.
Thank you.
And I look at mama's hair. Saloni.
If you read saloni, you see, I no go cut am.
Me and you go when we are finish your own. I no go cut am.
This way. This way. Yes. Wait. Put it inside. No, not spoil my nails, baby.
I'm not for you now.
Okay, okay. I will not.
Beautiful.
Thank you, my love. Say fine. Yeah, put it inside. Thank you. This way. Careful. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Hold on. Keep it. No, no, no. I don't want that one. I don't want it. Thank you. Mm. Put it inside. Okay, keep it. Alright, let me see. Yeah? Don't worry, I will carry it. It's heavy, right? Don't worry, Mama will carry it for you. Yeah? So guys, I just came back. I have done my nails. You guys have already seen it. Did my hair. Go and move this. Actually, bring that clothes. This is my hair. My hair is really growing. You need to head to my hair channel and see the things I do on my hair. Okay, don't break anything there. So let me show you guys what I got. I got some clothes for Madame. I got some new skincare. So I'll be taking you guys along. This is my hair. It's when I say long, I mean it's long. Like the previous challenge I did grew my hair. So hair down to my hair channel. Anyway, let's unbox.
Of what?
So I got her this jacket. It's a jean jacket. This one and the skirt. Where's your socks? Bring the socks, baby. It's a two-piece. Careful. It's a two-piece cloth. Okay. Then I got her this socks. This socks is very cute. When I wear her the clothes, I will show you guys what it looks like. First off, I got Dove soap. Okay. I got this one. Toner. I got hobby soap. I got my syrup. Okay. I got soap for Madame. This is her soap. I got just one sheet of those to get plenty, but I just got one first. And I got another soap. Syrup. Vitamin C syrup, sorry. Vitamin C syrup. I got this reminds me of a lot of memories, but I got it. I love it. Mimi, where is the cover of this thing? Wait, and I got Femtime. And I got perfume. Wait, I got perfume for Madame. Cover of this thing. You see how it came with cover. We did not carry the cover and come with. No, they spray. So this is everything I bought, and it cost me this is my bill. $44,666. Blah blah blah. This is what it cost me. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to pack this my hair all back, but that's how I used to protect my hairstyle. Just go to my hair channel. I'm going to leave it naturally Jessie. Go there and check out all my old DIYs. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay subscribed to the channel. like, share, and comment. Mimi, say bye.
Bye. You got my perfume.
She said she got her perfume. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys. Or I'll catch you guys in our next video. I love these nails. Like, yeah. Alright. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.
Mama said bye. Bye. You got my